Hey everyone, so here's a new video tutorial for you. It's going to show you how to remove the black bow with the lines across from it on the Emmy Blake theme. I get asked this question a lot, so I thought it'd be a good idea to create a video for you to show you how to do this. I also created a tutorial post on our blog. I'll provide the link below so that way you can visit that page and follow along. So from here, the first step says that we need to log into our WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance, then Editor. So I'm using the Emmy Blake theme demo site as an example. So I'm going to hover over Appearance and then click on Editor. Step 2 says that we need to find this code that's right here, the site header code. So I'm going to highlight that top part. I have a Mac, so I'm going to press Command C to copy. But if you have a PC, then you could probably press, I believe, Control C to copy that code. I'm going to go back to the editor. I'm going to click anywhere inside of here, and then from here with my Mac, I'm going to press Command F. That brings up a search box up at the top. If you're using a PC, I believe you'll press Control F. And then from here, once the search box comes up, I'm going to press Command V to paste that code. I'll press Enter, and then here's the code right here. So the next step says that we need to delete that code and replace it with this new code. So I'm going to highlight and copy this whole code. I'm going to delete this whole site header code here, and I'm going to paste the new code. Click Update File. Once that's updated, we'll head on over to the site and refresh the page and make sure that the bow is gone. There you go. If the bow is not gone, try clearing your browser's cookie cache files. If you're also using a cache plugin, also be sure to clear your cache files on that plugin as well.